yes, it's Pauline. So I got 2 packages here. One is an eBay purchase that I thought was a lot bigger, but we'll take a look at that. The price now makes a lot more sense. And this person probably had the dimensions in the description, but I'm really bad at not reading that kind of stuff. So we'll take a look at this one. And then this is a couple of pair of shoes. I don't usually do a lot of shoes on this channel, but this was at a really good price, and I thought that they kind of remind me of some Coach shoes that are going on sale right now, but we'll take a look at that in a minute. So let's take a look at this eBay purchase and see what y'all think too. I got this at a super duper cute good price, and there's one element to this that really caught my eye, and so I'm going to check this out with you. Oh, it's so cute. So I don't do a lot of minis. I didn't realize that this was a mini. I thought this was a regular size Rowan. This is a older bag. This caught my eye. I only paid $29 for this plus shipping, so it ended up being like $40. You really can't beat that. This looks like this was in somebody's closet. I can't wait to clean her up and wear her. I think she's super cute. So we got the little detailing around there, the little studs, but the turn lock, it is the turn lock for me. And even before this became popular, I loved a good turn lock. So I was trying to see if this is actual functional. It looks like it is. It looks like it's still got paper in it. They probably never did this, you know, took that loose. But anyway, super cute. She got feet. Look how tiny she is. The hardware is still really shiny. So this must have been an outlet bag. Well, I guess so, because Rowans are only on the outlet, right? But anyway, I like the gold on the outlet side, you know. So let's see. She's black on the inside, looks pretty clean, and this one doesn't have a date, so this one must be pretty old. I don't think this is counterfeit. I'm not that great at spotting that kind of stuff, but she looks authentic to me. I am going to enjoy wearing her. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's actual paint chipping or if that's some kind of spot I can get her out, but either way, it's super cute. So I was a little afraid when I got the size of the package, but so she's just a mini, and I don't have but maybe a couple of these. Super cute. All right, so that's that one. And let's see the shoes that I picked up. I don't even shop at this particular place. I think I was searching for something, and this came up, and the prices were pretty good, and they look really cute. They reminded me of some Coach purses that are ridiculously priced, and these were better priced. So now they look huge. So I don't know if they're going to fit. These look like so I wear 10s. Well, I used to wear 10s. The funny story about that, I didn't know that when you lose a significant amount of weight, sometimes you actually your shoe size will go down. I didn't realize shoe size depended on your weight. But anyway, I normally wear a size 10. Sometimes now I've been shrinking down to like a 9.5, sometimes even a 9. But these look like 11s, but they're cute. I am going to see if they are too big for me. But if they're not too big for me, I will be keeping these. I think they're cute. I want to say I paid $29 a piece for these. I will try to look it up and link it, maybe even find it and post it somewhere. Let's see. All right, so these were on clearance, and these look like the Coach shoes that are on sale right now for like $100. But anyway, that is what I wanted to share with you guys. I think that these are really cute. I have bags that would go with this. You know what? I just bought a Juicy Couture that would be really good with this. Yeah, look at that. And it's not an exact match, but when I'm holding it, you won't be able to tell the difference, I think. But I think that's cute. But the juicy does seem to go with that a little bit better. But anyway, that is what I had to share today, guys. Got that and my little mini. I'm tickled about this because I was kind of worried when I saw the package. I was like, whoa, wait a minute. But oh, did I tell you what I paid for this? $29. Oh yeah, I said that. But anyway, super cute. I'm super happy about that, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.